Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set sales prices for products with variants on Shopify. So first things first, go here at the products and choose your preferred item. And then here, if you scroll down, you're going to see variant. And here you can click edit. And then when you scroll down, you can see here the pricing, the original price and the compare price. So for me, I'm going to go to 120. And for the counter price, gonna be 50. Also, make sure to save before going to another variant. So here I'm gonna go to another variant. I'm gonna update my prices. So if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.